In this video, the chapter number 4 of class 6 and that is integers. In the last video, we have completed question number 5 to 8 of exercise 4b. So now let's see the next question, question number 9. So students, next question, question number 9, and question number 9 is simplify. Simplify. First part is -7 plus -9 plus 12 plus -16. Okay. So student, simplify first part -7 plus bracket -9 plus 12 plus bracket -16. So answer -7 plus -9 plus 12 plus -16. So -7 -9 and -16 and plus 12. So 16 -16 -9 and -7. So -69. So 16 plus 9 equal to 25. 25 plus 7 32 and plus 12. So plus -32 plus 12 equal to -32 minus 20, 12 20. So -20, this is answer. Next, second, 37 plus -23 plus -65 plus 9 plus -12. So answer is plus 37 plus -23 plus -65 plus 9 -12. Okay. So plus 37 or plus 9. So plus 37 and plus 9. Next -23 -65 -12. So plus 37 and plus 9. So 37 plus 9 equal to 46. फिर -23 -65 -12. सो इनको ऐड कर देंगे. सो -2 5 7 7 3 10 कैरी 1 1 6 7 7 2 9 and 1 10. 46 minus 100. So 46 minus 100 minus 54 and -54, this is answer. Okay. So students, question number 9 first and second part is complete. Next two parts, third and fourth. So solve the next two parts yourself. Next question, question number 10. So students, next question, question number 10. Question number 10 is a car 60 kilometer to the north of Patna, to the north of Patna. North of Patna and then 90 kilometer 90 kilometer to the south, from there. How far from Patna was the car finally? Okay. So student, question number 10, a car traveled 60 kilometer to the north of Patna. 60 kilometer to the north of Patna. So answer. So student, this is Patna city. Okay. So a car traveled 60 kilometer to the north. So first of all, direction, above direction is north and below direction is south. Okay, this is west, this is east. Okay, so 60 kilometer to the north of Patna. So Patna से 60 kilometer north 60 kilometer. Okay, 60 kilometer to the north of Patna, and then 90 kilometer to the south from there. From there, इस point से 90 kilometer to the south. So south below direction. So 90 kilometer south. So complete 60 kilometer plus 30 kilometer. So 60 plus 30 equal to 90. 90 kilometer below and 60 kilometer above. Okay, so 60 kilometer to the north of Patna. So first 60 kilometer to the north of Patna and reach a point A, and then 90 kilometer to the south from there. So from A to 90 kilometer to the south and reach a point B, and finally point B. So how far from Patna was the car is finally. So Patna city, this city Patna. So Patna से किस साइड में, नॉर्थ साइड में, कितनी 90 है टोटल, 90 में से 60 अबव. सो 90 माइनस 60. सो 90 माइनस 60 इक्वल टू 30 किलोमीटर ऑफ साउथ. ओके, सो 30 किलोमीटर साउथ, and this is answer. Okay, so 90 minus 60 equal to 30 kilometer south. Okay students, next question, question number 11. So student, next question, question number 11th, and question number 11th is, a man bought some pencils for ₹30 and some pens for ₹90 and some pens for ₹90. The next day he again bought some pencils for ₹25, some pencils for रुपये 25. Then he sold all the pencils for रुपये 20 and the pens for रुपये 70. What was his net gains and loss or loss? So student, question number 11. A man bought some pencils for रुपये 30 and some pens for 90. The next day he again bought some pencils for रुपये 25. So then he sold all the pencils for रुपये 20 and the pens for रुपये 70. So what was his net gain or loss? So students, यहाँ पे गिवन है कि कोई भी पर्सन्स है वो कुछ पेंसिल्स 30 रुपये में और कुछ पेन्स 90 रुपये में परचेज कर रहा है. ही नेक्स्ट डे अगेन वो दूसरे दिन कुछ पेंसिल्स फिर से परचेज कर रहा है 25 में. ही सोल्ड, फिर वो ऑल पेंसिल्स सभी पेंसिल्स को 20 रुपये में सेल कर रहा है और पेन्स को 70 रुपये में. तो व्हाट वाज ही नेट गेन? सो उस पर्सन्स को प्रॉफिट होगा या लॉस होगा? सो स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पेन और पेंसिल तो दोनों की कॉस्ट गिवन नहीं है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दोनों की कॉस्ट को एज्यूम कर लो कि पेन जो पेंसिल्स है उसकी कॉस्ट है 1 रुपये और जो पेन है उसकी भी कॉस्ट ले लो 1 रुपये. ओके, सो लेट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 pencil is equal to रुपये 1 and cost of 1 pen is equal to रुपये 1. सो जो पेंसिल है उसकी भी कॉस्ट 1 और पेन है उसकी भी कॉस्ट 1. ओके, दोनों को एज्यूम कर लिया. फिर चेक करेंगे. ए मैन बोट सम पेंसिल्स फॉर रुपये 30. अगर पेंसिल्स 1 पेंसिल की कॉस्ट 1 रुपये तो 30 पेंसिल की कॉस्ट भी क्या होती है 30. ओके, 30 रुपये की बना. सो टोटल amount for bought some pencils and some pens. So total amount for bought some pencils and some pens. So some pencil 30 plus next day again some pencil 25. Okay, and plus some pen 90. Okay, because cost of 1 pencil 1 रुपये again and cost of 1 pen is 1 रुपये. So पेन एंड पेंसिल की दोनों की कॉस्ट क्या है 1. ओके, सो टोटल अमाउंट हो जाएगा परचेज 30 25 65 प्लस 90. सो 0505 9 to 11 11 3 14 145. So total purchase amount is, so total purchase amount purchase amount for some pencils and some pen is rupee 145, and then he sold all the pencils for rupee 20 and the pen for 70. So total sold amount for some pencils and some pens equal to, so some pencils is rupee 20 plus some pens is rupee 70. So 20 plus 70 90. So students, total purchase amount is 125 and total sold amount is rupee 90. So purchase amount is, so cost price is rupee 145 and selling price is rupee 90. So यहाँ हो जाएगा his net gain equal to cost price minus selling price. So cost price is rupee 145 minus selling price rupee 90. So rupee 145 minus rupee 90 equal to rupee 55 and rupee 55, this is answer. Okay. So students, question number 11, gain equal to rupee 55 and this is answer. Next question. So student, next question number 12. So question number 12 question is true false. Okay. So solve the next question yourself. And next question number 13. So students, next question number 13, and question number 13, find an integer a such that first a plus 6 equal to 0. So find an integer a. So means a की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. So a इक्वल टू -6 इक्वल के इधर +6 कन्वर्ट इन -6. सो फर्स्ट की वैल्यू आ जाएगी a इक्वल टू -6. सेकेंड 5 plus a इक्वल टू 0. So answer. So a equal to +5 convert in -5. So equal to -5. Okay. Next, third, a plus -4 equal to 0. So answer, a plus minus -4 equal to 0. So a equal to -4 कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा +4. So a equal to 4. Next, fourth, -8 plus a equal to 0. So answer, so a equal to -8 convert in +8. So a equal to 8 and this is answer. So students, question number 13 is complete and exercise 4b is complete, and next exercise in next class. Okay students.